Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning market webcast. Okay, so daily chart, you can see we are continuing this multi-day rally from 2603. We held 2700 back on Friday. After the election last night, it was pretty clear that they wanted to take it higher. They kept taking it back into the area of 56 to 58. They couldn't get it below that area, and then they went ahead and they took it above. Now they're above the 200-day. I think certainly they have a chance to trade to 2,800 to deal with the 50-day and 100-day exponential moving averages, which are between 97.5 and 2803. We're above the daily midband now. We've closed above the daily midband, and that puts us on a baseline evaluation. That puts us back into buy dips mode until that daily midband is converted again to resistance, if it is. Okay, so we're back in buy dips mode. The bulls have had their moment. Last night's election stuff, I mean, there were some nice moves. I wouldn't even go so far as to say it was hyper volatile. It really wasn't. But there was a nice long there, and there was a nice short, and then they longed it overnight, but I didn't participate because I was asleep. Because at 2 in the morning I tend to sleep. So, it wasn't going to be a replication of 2016. I mean, you just don't get those kind of nights in a midterm election unless something really surprising had happened. And it basically went how people ultimately felt it was going to go. And I really thought that outcome was priced in. We weren't trading 2,600 anymore. We weren't trading 29.47. We're sitting in around 27.20, 27.40, 27.50. So we go up to 27.85, maybe 2,800. Now the market's going to have to get back to the business of the market. So let's see what 2,800 looks like. Let's see if it exhausts before. Let's see if the dip buyers are successful or unsuccessful today. I'm currently flat. My plan probably is to be flat until the open. And I want to really take a look at how the tape wants to behave as they digest the results and the new landscape and everything else. Plus, we still have to deal with China and central banking and all the other stuff that we had to deal with before. So the volatility, in my mind, is not going away. I think some unknowns are now known, and we can get back to the business of this thing starting to really move around a little bit for the rest of the month. And the rest of the month and the first part of December for that matter. So we'll see how it goes. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a great day. We'll be out with a bunch of stuff on social. Check all that out. Until then, trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.